Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your job applications on JobToday. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you can see at the bottom of the screen that application option. Click on that, and here after applying for a job you can track your application status. So you can see that I haven't applied for a job yet, so there are no applications. But if you do, then here will appear a list with all your applications, and then you can track them. So here will be the active applications, and here will be the archived. So when an application has expired or you have not been selected by the employer, the application will be shown here. So yeah, this is very useful, that here will be shown all the expired or unsuccessful applications of yours. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.